If your plumbing business isn't categorizing transactions correctly, your financials could be a complete mess. I'm Grant, I'm a licensed plumber and CPA, and I own an accounting firm for plumbing home service businesses. In this video, I'll show you common causes of transaction miscategorization, how big the impact of miscategorizing transactions can be, and then a quick 2-minute check using ChatGPT or Claude to find those errors that your accountant could be missing. All right, while transactions can be miscategorized for any number of reasons, there's a couple root causes that tend to be the culprit. The first is missing context. Unless you're capturing receipts electronically, your accountant honestly doesn't have much more context than just the bank statements. Let's say you make a purchase at Home Depot. The correct classification could be job expenses, supplies, equipment, any number of things. If your accountant doesn't know what you're actually buying at these stores, all they can do is give their very best guess. Second is bad bank rules. Your accountant can set up bank rules in QuickBooks Online that automatically categorize transactions a certain way. If they set up a rule incorrectly, say booking a Home Depot expense always to equipment when it really could be supplies expense, your financials can get really messy. Now we're going to break this down visually so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. Here's an example. Let's say your plumbing home service business purchases 5 new sewer cameras and you purchase them from Grainger at $4K each. Now, Grainger sells job materials as well as equipment. In this scenario, you should have $20K in additional equipment on your balance sheet. If your accountant miscategorizes this, let's say they set up a QuickBooks Online rule that says all Grainger expenses go to job materials. They miscategorize it. Your assets will now be down $20K because your equipment is miscategorized as a job cost. Your balance sheet is understated by $20K. Not only that, it gets worse. Your profit and loss now is also showing $20K in lost profits because this equipment that should be equipment on the balance sheet that's getting depreciated over time is instead immediately expensed and your profit goes down $20K. Now that we understand just how important it is to classify transactions accurately, let's get our accounting back on track with a quick tip using ChatGPT. All right, let's go to your QuickBooks Online. We're going to click on Reports, Standard Reports, type in General Ledger. Let's adjust the dates. In this example, I'll do the last 3 months. Go ahead and print this to PDF. Now we've got the general ledger right here. This is a full detail of all the transactions and how they've been categorized for the period. All right, I've pasted this into ChatGPT with the following prompt. The goal of this prompt is to provide the top 5 potential errors that ChatGPT is seeing. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but the goal here is to give you a quick glimpse at the most impactful potential issues. All right, so first one here it's showing is duplicate/inconsistent sales tax payable accounts. This is a chart of accounts potential error that may need to be corrected. So financial impact and then what to tell your bookkeeper. Both of those are listed. Number 2, it's showing opening balance miscellaneous, $250 bill. Looks like the financial impact here could be that net profit is understated by $250. Just an FYI, this sample data, there's not a lot of high dollar transactions in it, so I'd expect to see a lot more in your company's data. Number 3, job materials appearing in 2 different sections. This is actually, in my opinion, potentially number 1 so far. Gross profit issues. If you're booking job expenses to a basic expense account rather than cost of goods sold, your gross profits could be showing incorrect and really give you inaccurate information on what your gross margins are. Number 4 here, undeposited funds balance. There can be a timing difference with bank reconciliations, but this could be a potential error. Number 5 here, legal fees related to startup. This is a fee that typically you'd see amortized over time if it's large enough. Amortized meaning that it's not all expensed in the current period in accrual accounting. You would expense it over a period of time rather than in a single month if the fee is large enough. All right, looks like it's also provided us bigger picture and then recommended next steps. This can be a really helpful tool for you. Every couple months, go ahead and chuck that general ledger into ChatGPT or Claude. Put it in there. It's literally 2 minutes of your time and see what it kicks out. You might find some really impactful errors. With this quick ChatGPT trick, you can hold your accountant accountable and feel a lot more confident in the accuracy of your financial statements. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you run a plumbing home service business and are in need of professional accounting help, click the website linked below. Schedule 30 minutes with me. I'd love to discuss your situation and see how we could potentially help you out. Until next time, goodbye.